Hello and welcome to Recorders Dance and Sing. On this video we will be looking at a poignant canary or canary by Francois Couperin, together with its doublé variation. Like many French pieces of this period, it appears relatively simple on the page. However, the more I have played it, the more depths and delights I've discovered. This tutorial will be available in two parts. The first one looks at overall style and introduces playing inegale, but uses just a few simple ornaments. The second tutorial introduces more complex ornamentation based on Couperin's original version, so is more authentic, but requires a higher degree of dexterity. I've chosen to play this piece on the tenor because I think the piece suits the lower sonority, but it will also work just fine on descant. The version I'm about to play demonstrates the simpler version on the first time round, but uses the ornamented version on the repeats. I've absolutely loved exploring and playing the canary. I hope you do too. In terms of notes and rhythms used, this tutorial is suitable for lower intermediate level players. However, it might also present a rather enjoyable challenge for upper intermediate players if they want to explore the ornamented version. Whether you stay with the simpler version or add the extra ornaments, our goal is to transport us back to the supremely mannered world of Versailles during the reign of Louis XIV. If you haven't already printed off a copy of the scores, I suggest that you press pause, prod the printer, grab your tenor or a descant and a pencil. See you soon.